The white flag in the air. 1 lap to go. Presented by Credit One Bank. 7 turns. He just needs to do 7 turns perfectly at Watkins Glen to grab his first career win. He goes wide through turn 1. The 78 coming up, closing the gap.
Fans jumping up and down, yelling, screaming, losing their minds here at Watkins Glen. Can Elliott hang on? He's back to 2 car lengths in front of Truex as they leave the S's for the final time.
Almost giving up the lead in turn 1, but he's now got another comfortable lead as he breaks into the inner loop. Martin Truex charges hard, trying to gain that ground back. No mistakes by either driver here, but Chase Elliott a cleaner corner. Now it's about 4 car lengths there through the carousel. Chase Elliott almost home free. Truex wide in the corner.
He looks to be in great shape, but the mistake that he made in 1 again cannot be replicated here in turn 6.
Truex is out of fuel.
Truex is out. Now Chase can just cruise to victory lane.
His spotter lets him know he's out of fuel. Chase Elliott comes out of turn number 7. The crowd roars. They're going to see for the first time Chase Elliott win in the Monster Energy Cup Series.
Super proud of you, boys. Hell yeah, baby, yeah! Great job, boys. Burn that son of a gun down, boys.
Right now, at the Dawsonville pool room, the bell is going to ring. They ring the siren when Bill Elliott won, and now they ring the siren when Chase Elliott wins. And look who he's looking at. His dad's up on the spotter stand.
I'm out of gas.
And he runs out of gas at the furthest place away from the start-finish line.
A hell of a birthday present right there, AG.
Bubba Wallace going by a good friend, Chase Elliott's. You see the 78's out of gas. He ran out of gas coming into turn 6. Still was able to finish second. Kyle Larson showing his pleasure. Everyone going by, congratulating the 22-year-old.
I need a push, baby. Need a push.
Chase Elliott wins in the Monster Energy Cup Series for the first time.
Oh, there you go. Chase Elliott up on ISM Vision. The field drives by. Gives him the thumbs up. Gives him a measure. A lot of happy smiles.
And he's still clapping inside the car. That moment presented by Sunoco, fueling victories all season long. He's going to celebrate a long time now. He'll need a push in, but it'll be the greatest push he's ever had in the Monster Energy Cup Series.
Chase Elliott, we believe that he too is out of fuel.
Let's go to the winning crew chief. Oh, take a look at this. How about this? A 7-time champion. He's going to give him a push. His teammate at Hendrick Motorsports, and again, as I mentioned earlier, 250 wins for Hendrick Motorsports. And the 250th coming at the hands of Chase Elliott. How about that?
Back to the start finish line, back to Gatorade victory lane, where we will hear from a first-time Cup winner. He's off at turn 7.
Well, I mentioned it was going to be the greatest push he's ever had. Coming from one of the greatest of all time, Jimmy Johnson, giving him a shot.
Nobody is through there.
Gustafson, and what a celebration for Chase Elliott, who finally, after so many tries, gets that first career win. The emotion, you could hear him after the checkered flag. He was emotional in there. Max Pappas the coach for William Byron. An incredible moment for him to win at a road course just like his dad, Bill, did for his first career win. Chase, I got to know the emotions of those final few laps as the 78 was trying to catch you.
Holy cow, what a thrill. Callie, I don't know what to say, just so thrilled, so emotional, so much relief. You know, I was working on 3 years and hadn't won one, and I came here with a great opportunity today, and I was able to get it done. But just thank you. Thanks all the fans. You guys are rowdy after that checkered flag. I hope all my buddies back home are ready to get rowdy tonight, because it's going to be a good one.
What did your dad say to you after the checkered flag, or what did he say to you during the race?
Well, he was really just spotting, you know, and doing kind of the normal spotter deal. And he was pretty encouraging those last couple laps, which was certainly helpful, and I was able to get it done.
Were you worried about the 78 and the mistake in one? Were you thinking, oh, I've given it away?
Yeah, I started to wheel hop, and I knocked it out of gear to not spin out. And luckily had a big enough gap where he couldn't get me, but what a day.
You mentioned these fans. They all stood up when you won that stage. They cheered so loud. I don't think there's any question you're going to be the most popular driver this year.
That's the coolest damn thing I've ever seen. I just want y'all to know that, and very grateful. Thank you. Let's go get some more.
There you go, the fans. And as they told him on the radio right afterwards, the first of many. I believe he's got a date with his dad, Bill, in Victory Lane. Mr. Hendrick calling on the phone right now. Chase Elliott, your winner at Watkins Glen.
The door's open now. He got his first win. Look out. Chase Elliott, the 2014 Xfinity Series champion. We saw a year ago he got into a tuffle with Denny Hamlin at Martinsville, and we said right then his attitude had changed. He became hungrier, and we saw it today. The hunger was in the eyes of the driver of the 9, Chase Elliott. He gets his first career Monster Energy Cup Series win.